Hey, welcome Mustang Cobra fans. Today we have a rounded off drive shaft bolt that we're trying to remove, and we're going to see if we can get it off with this. We got two choices here. First, we're going to start off with, okay, so here's your typical bolt extractor. It's got the flutes on it, and we're going to go ahead and connect it on there and see what we got with this. So let's take a look here. Go ahead and hammer it on. All right. Okay, that's not going to work. I have to go one side. That was a 12 mil. So let's see here. 14. Where is 13? 14. All right. All right. So here's our 13 millimeter. We're going to try this one here. See if we can get her off with that. Yeah, it doesn't catch. So you see these flutes right here. I guess it's not enough to do the job, and that 12-point bolt's rounded off pretty good. So, all right. So we got this one here from Performance Tool, the extract bolt extractor. As you can see, it's quite a bit different. This one kind of uses straight teeth rather than like fluted teeth. So they claim that this one's going to grab it a lot better. We'll see, but definitely these do not work, and I think these are like a from Mac Tools. So yeah, I don't know. I guess these things wear out over time, but all right. Let's see here. Where is our 12 mil? Okay, so there's our 12 mil right there. Go ahead and try it on. Oh, you know what? First, I'm gonna have to jack this up here. How am I gonna do this? Oh, that'll work. Yeah, that will work just fine. All right. Okay, so go ahead and hammer this on. Okay.
I don't know. I saw.
Oh, how's it going?
It's like a day for a couple of days.
Yeah.
You remove. That's like you're alone here.
Alone.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Cool. It's cool.
It's
What are
cool.
you doing?
Yeah. What's your name?
Nick.
Nick. Jay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right. Yeah. Trying to get some rounded bolts off here, and hopefully I will.
Oh, you're just fixing? No.
Yeah.
I was thinking it's like it's doom or something.
Yeah. No. Just trying to fix this here.
Nice. It's an original Cobra.
Original. Yeah. Original.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You have a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, man. Have a good one.
See
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Take care.
Probably I'll help you one time.
Okay. Can we get this off? Oh, I'm just kidding. tight. Yeah, let's see if we can get her off with this here. Let's try and. Yeah, it looks like it's turning. Oh yeah. Okay, looks like we got it. For some reason, if you put an impact on it, does not. It kind of shakes it, but all right. Okay. And there you have it. Pretty chewed up, but all right. So we're gonna give the X-Track bolt extractor set by Performance Tool big thumbs up. It saved your ass. I would say, yeah, definitely use this as the extractor to use. So yeah, really happy that I got this off finally. All right. Thanks for watching, and yeah, have a good one.